make a splash at the Fort Lauderdale Aquatic Complex, embracing the International Swimming Hall of Fame. Many records have been broken here, including by the greatest Olympic champion of all time, the swimmer Michael Phelps. Just $5 buys all-day admission to this magnificent 1960s celebration of bathing. My guide, swim instructor Megan Lassen.
So many amazing swimmers have swum in these pools, so it's great for people to come and say, oh, I swam where so-and-so broke a record. We have dive team here, we have kids swim team here, we have public lap swimmers here. Everybody comes here. It's the best place.
Other places to swim are available, including the Atlantic Ocean, which, thanks to some benign currents, is wonderfully warm right through the year. After working up an appetite, the place to refuel is one of South Florida's most enticing restaurants, the Naked Crab. It's also one of the hardest working. It opens at 7 in the morning and keeps serving right through till 11 at night. The address, 1140 Sea Breeze Boulevard. The ambience, stripped down, dressed up. And the breakfast of champions, cooked up by corporate chef Julia Ning.
We have the easy breezy kind of beachside attitude. We get to be a little bit more playful. We don't have to be quite so serious up here. Hence these types of dishes are a little bit of a unique take on your traditional breakfast menu items. My absolute sugar bomb favorite, the Heath Bar Crunch pancakes with bacon and banana jam and whipped cream.
A proper Mount Everest. Some of the satisfied and suddenly slightly heavier customers at Naked Crab are among the millions who come to Fort Lauderdale each year to board a cruise ship, whether a short hop to Grand Bahama or a grand tour around the world. But of course, if you take the water taxi, you can take a cruise around town, which is exactly what I am doing with Stacey Ritter, who is the Chief Executive of the Convention and Visitors Bureau. Stacey, how did Fort Lauderdale become the capital of cruising?
Oh, well, look at this place. I mean, we have so many we're the Venice of America. We have so many waterways. We have a wonderful port that is easy to get in and out of. Cruise ships flock here because of that. And of course, if you're taking a pre or post cruise, spending an extra day or two, there's so much to do and see here. How could you not love this place?